Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 07 3848 1382, and today we have a 2013 Volkswagen Tiguan. Stock reference number 3969. The shape runs from the 5th month 2008 through to the 8th month 2016. It has a CT-HD 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an LXM 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. CT-HD 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the passenger door. We have the bonnet, appears to have no damage. Radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover. Right hand headlight, left hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. Left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. The factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate appears to have no damage. We have right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror. And a right guard which appears to have no damage. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag. Driver side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black cloth center console lid. Manual type console. 6-speed manual gear shifter. Heated controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, owner's manual, service book in a dealer's case, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.